One of the popular interview questions is reversing a linked list in place. Let me show you what I mean. So if we have a linked list like this, then to reverse it, we should change the direction of these links. So now 30 will become the head or the first node, and 10 will become the tail or the last node. So I've implemented this method here. Let me show you. List.reverse. It doesn't return a new list. It simply reverses this list in place. Now we can convert this to an array, list.toArray, and then print it on the console. So arrays.toString array. Take a look. There you go. So the list is reversed in place. Now, I gotta tell you, this is a tricky question. You're not gonna be able to answer it within 5 or 10 minutes if it's your first time working with these kind of problems. That's perfectly fine if it takes you longer to solve this problem, even 1 hour, because you're taking this course to learn and grow. You're not ready to solve this problem on the spot. Otherwise, you wouldn't be taking this course, right? So sit down and think about this for as long as you can and come up with a solution, even if it takes you 1 day to solve this problem. Because the moment you solve this problem, you have gone to the next step. If you simply watch my solution, you're not going to grow. You're not going to train your programming brain. So go ahead, solve this problem. When you're done, come back, see my solution.